As you know, Brothers is an official adaptation of the Hollywood cult film Warrior. So I'd like to thank Endemol India for partnering with us on this, along with the support that Lionsgate gave us through the proceedings. It was, as you know, a cult film and has acquired a lot of viral love apart from all the love it got at the box office window when it did release a couple of years ago. More than anything else, I think partnering with a Hollywood studio is always an exceptionally exciting process, and we're very glad to have partnered with Lionsgate and Endemol.
जी बिल्कुल, मैंने देखी है फिल्म और उससे काफ़ी बेहतरीन है.
Yes, of course. Akshay sir.
Should I answer this question if that's okay?
अच्छा
with
sir,
you?
हाँ.
I think he has done so brilliantly. I'm shocked myself. Yes, because he doesn't have a background of martial art or any kind of thing, but this boy has worked day and night in the gym, learning all the kind of moves, all kind of different kind of arts, whether it's jiu-jitsu or aikido, things which I don't think he even knew about it also, but this boy has done it, and I'm shocked myself that somebody can work so hard also. I thought I was a hard-working person, but here he comes, the man who works more harder than me.
Not at all, because you knew everything, sir. So it was not at all hard for him. It was very easy for him because he's been kicking and punching since I've seen all your films. I mean, Khiladi ke zamane se aap.
Thanks for reminding me of my
Yes,
my
Bade
age.
bhaiya.
To say on that Punjabi note, I have to say something that when my father and various producers in the 70s made movies, predominantly every producer was Punjabi. So the spoken language on set was always Punjabi. After I think 2.5 decades, when I visited the sets once on Brothers, I found the director and the two actors talking. I felt I had walked into a Punjabi film set. The three of them were very seriously discussing an intense scene in Punjabi. It was actually really took me back into the 70s and the decades that I think all the major motion picture producers operated in. It was a great nostalgia feeling.
बहुत चीज़ें. I think all thanks to Karan Malhotra. उन्होंने पहले एक तस्वीर दिखाई मुझे 4 महीने पहले, एक 6 फुट 4 इंच का गंजा रेसलर. तो पहले डर गया कि पहले बाल काटने पड़ेंगे, ऐसा कुछ. I think he's not referring to, but वो सिर्फ वजन दिखा रहे थे उसका. तो वो भी बहुत कम टाइम था करने के लिए, 4 महीने में. तो जैसा कि कहा, उसमें हमारी ट्रेनिंग शुरू हुई. हमारे ट्रेनर्स आए अमेरिका से. हमारी एक टीम थी जिन्होंने हमें ट्रेन किया डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स की. मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ी ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज मेरा बैकग्राउंड नहीं है सर की तरह. तो मैंने तकरीबन 4 महीने सिर्फ वही किया और कुछ नहीं किया. फिर लुक पे काम किया, थैंक्स टू आलिम जिन्होंने किया. करण मल्होत्रा की रेफरेंस से वी ट्राई अ न्यू लुक. पहली बार इतनी बड़ी दाढ़ी और बस जस्ट टू मेक इट कन्विंसिंग. पहले से अलग दिखना था. करण मल्होत्रा का ये था कि ही वांटेड टू बैलेंस इट आउट. अक्षय सर 10 किलो घटाएंगे तो मैं 10 किलो बढ़ाऊंगा. तो वही कोशिश थी. सर आई थिंक ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे, कम करने के लिए मैं बढ़ाने में लगा.
I actually was not aware that there was a sequel, but if Salman has said it, then obviously yes. And that's fine because I mean, honestly, like Kick was the best experience of my life, and I think that he's already done so much for me. Hopefully, we'll be able to work in other movies, and if not for Kick too. And yeah, but I could never ask for more because I feel like he's already done so much.